The race for the next Chief Minister has already begun in Delhi. Hi, my name is Sneha Biswas and you are watching the Free Press Journal. After 2 decades, the Bharatiya Janata Party is set to form the government in Delhi, securing a decisive victory in the assembly elections. With the Saffron Party's return to power, the battle for the Chief Minister's post has intensified and several top leaders have emerged as front-runners for the coveted position. Let's take a look at the key contenders. Number 1. Parvez Sahib Singh Verma, the giant slayer. Parvez Sahib Singh Verma has become a major force in Delhi politics after a stunning victory over AAP chief and outgoing CM Arvind Kejriwal in the New Delhi constituency. Son of former Delhi CM Sahib Singh Verma, he has earned the title of a giant slayer by dismantling Kejriwal's stronghold. Vijayendra Gupta, seasoned BJP leader, has successfully held the Rohini seat in both 2015 and 2020 despite AAP's stronghold over Delhi politics. Having served as the Delhi BJP chief and leader of opposition in the Delhi Assembly, Gupta's political acumen and resilience make him a strong contender in the race for Chief Minister. Representing Rajouri Garden, Majinder Singh Sirsa secured a significant victory over AAP's Dhanwati Chandela in the 2025 Delhi Assembly election. With the BJP now setting its sights on Punjab, Sirsa's leadership could be key in expanding the party's influence in the region. His potential appointment as CM could be a strategic move to consolidate Sikh votes. BJP's National General Secretary Dushyant Gautam, a prominent Dalit leader, is also among the front-runners for the Chief Minister's post. Contesting from Karol Bagh against AAP's Vishesh Ravi, Gautam enjoys strong grassroots support in Delhi. His appointment could help BJP strengthen its appeal among Dalit voters. Harish Khurana, BJP's candidate from Moti Nagar, made his electoral debut by contesting against AAP's Shiv Charan Goyal. As the son of former Delhi CM Madan Lal Khurana, he carries a strong political legacy. His deep involvement in the BJP's Delhi unit and experience in organizational role make him a noteworthy candidate for the top post. If the BJP leadership opts for a women chief minister, Lok Sabha MP Basuri Swaraj, daughter of former Union Minister Sushma Swaraj, is likely to be the top contender, with Shikha Rai and Rekha Gupta also in the running. With the party set to take charge in Delhi after 27 years, all eyes are now on the BJP's leadership as they finalize their choice for the CM's post. Will they go with an experienced face or surprise everyone with a fresh pick? What do you all think? Shoot your views in the comment section below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Journal. Thank you for watching.